edala ukuthi isithunywa sakho singezwakali kuwe, isithunywa sakho futhi singaphefumuli umsebenzi esiwuthunywayo kuwena. Ngizoyichaza nje ibe straightforward kanjalo. Akusiyona into oyilandayo somewhere else. Akusiyona futhi into efuna ukulokhu ifunzwa amalada, ama-altara nokudla njalo njalo. Ilada noma ilati, whatever, whichever direction you pronounce it. Ilada is isizulufying the altar. So-ke laba abakholelwa ukuthi isithunywa into yasesontweni, into yamakhandlela, into yamanzi, into yomthandazo, yilabo-ke abayokutshela-ke ngendaba yani yelada, which is an altar. Yinto leyo edevelophe emva kokuthi abantu abamnyama sebedibana nenkolo yabelungu, sebefihla isintu nendlela yokwelapha yesintu phansi kweBhayibheli nezinto zesilungu nenkolo yesilungu, and then esikhundleni sokuthi babize ngesigodlo sebebiza bona nge-altare. I-altare is an altar. Sebebiza bona ngani? Ngelata. Isizulifying, it's a zulifying of the altar. Thina-ke ngesintu asinawo ama-altar, asinayo i-altare, asinalo ilata, asinawo amakhandlela, asinayo ilokhuzana amanzi, ama-holy waters, asinazo lezo zinto. Sinemvelo nje straight. Imvelo, it's either amanzi, amatshe, zihlahla, umlilo, yabona, ilokhuza, ukhuni, udaka, impepho, izinto eziyimvelo. It's either natural plants, natural bodies of water, natural representation of creation as a whole. It's at our fingertips. So lama translations lawa eseniba nawo ngokuthi manje you are trying to make something what it is not. Kahle kahle nje umoya wokwelapha, umoya wendabuko wokwelapha, umoya nje wendabuko wokwelapha. So it's either when you follow it ngesintu or you follow it ngesi westernization, Eurocentric, religious, whatever it is. That is at your own peril. Lokho mangabe when you need to translate something into ukusindiswa and so on and so forth. But kahle kahle umoya womdali ungena kuwena ngesithunywa, njengoba igama lisho nje, isithunywa, umoya othunywe umdali usebenza kuwena. Nakuwe futhi uyahamba uye kumdali, usuka kuwe uthunywa kuwe. It's an in-between electrical current that goes between you and your creator. Isithunywa nje ileso. So umuntu othi uyokuvusela isithunywa kuphi njani, that is a new concept. Naye mhlambe uyazi ukuthi what system that is, where it comes from, and so on and so forth. Isithunywa akaze sibe i-mermaid, asikaze futhi sibe umkhulu othile, asikaze sibe an entity of any kind. Asiyona like a biological thing ongayilanda elokhuzeni emanzini. It's a spirit, energy, vibration that travels between you and your creator. Isithunywa ileyo-ke nje. Akukuningi mayelana nesithunywa, kodwa isithunywa uma ngabe sivalelekile, that is when wena udinga-ke ukwelashwa, so that isithunywa sakho sikwazi ukuphila kuwe, sizinze kuwe, sisebenze kuwena through your intuition, through the vessel of your body. Uthi-ke uma athi, so what we do ehlani emanzini in the caves is all fake. No, it's not all fake. Those are just meditations. Those are just meditations. And those are just ways to connect. Ways to connect. Kodwa nakhona emanzini or ehlane, if vele uvalelekile isithunywa sakho sivalwe amathunzi athile nezidalwa ezithila nezinto ezithile zamasiko, isithunywa sakho lo moya lo ma ungaconnect futhi ungatoliki kahle wena through yourself, uyofika lapho ehlane, ufike lapho emanzini, ufike ujuluka igazi nje, uthandaza, wenza ini ungatholi lutho because awelashiwe inkinga nama-customs ofanele uwenze, ngoba if those customs are done, if lezo nhlambuluko and lokho ugeza abantu abafile, ugeza ama-terminated pregnancies, wageza zonke lezi zinto lezo, vele isithunywa sakho sikhona but awusizwa naso futhi it does not transmit because kune-blockage in your vibration, in your aura, kubantu bakho, kubantu abadala or edlozini lakho kune-trauma kunani nani. Isithunywa-ke sifuna vele a clean vessel nje. Ngisho ngaye empophomeni uzube grey, akho lutho ozolithola. Nginamakhehla amadala asengabafundisi nani nani ekade babelokhu benza amaladi beyongena ey'mpophomeni bekhishwa bephuma bengena ey'lwandle, sebebadala bakhulile manje, bakhala kimi ukuthi kade kwasa sifuhlelwa ngapha nangapha, isithunywa sami siphakeme, sinenhlanhla, sishaya umlozi, sinjanjani, kodwa angikutholi ukukhululeka nokuphumula, angazi kufuneka ngenze njani. Is because i-understanding of what is isithunywa, sicabanga ukuthi thina ukuhamba isonto, ukuhlabelela igospel, ukuhamba ugijima ehlane, uhamba phansi kwey'mpophoma njani, kanti that is only ngizothi a therapy, a certain kind of therapy, but ayisivuli isithunywa, ayisihlambululi futhi isithunywa. Isithunywa umoya nje okhona. It's wena and your vessel odala ukuthi singa-connect or disconnect, ungasizwa noma sona futhi singayithathi imilayezo yakho sihambise kumdali wakho. It's a blockage is with you and your biology and you and your traumas and all the things that are in the way. Uthola ukuthi manje isithunywa sakho siyithulele nje asizwa lutho because you are sitting odakeni, because you think the church is what is going to take you out of udaka, but usiko oluzokhipha odakeni, inhlambuluko elizokhipha odakeni. Manje ngoba ke umuntu usindisiwe and takes everything according to the Bible doesn't have inhlambuluko zelokhuzana zokuhlambulula amasiko akini angenzwanga, iy'dalwa zakini ezashonayo. They don't even recognize ukuthi khona isidingo salokho. They don't have issues with those things, and that's the problem with translating isithunywa in like I'm a prophet all of a sudden. No, that's not isithunywa. Uthini uma athi
Emakhosini.
ulalile kodwa?
Not much, not that much, but I got time to rest. I want to say good evening to all your viewers and Emakhosini, Gogo. I was thinking about the church, you see, because there's this thing at the churches that they call it secheso. Angazi ukuthi bayibizani. Secheso.
Isidliso.
Secheso. There's a burnt offering. A burnt offering.
Oh, it's shiso.
Yes. And I recently discovered during that isichiso, whether you know it willingly or unwillingly, is they kind of merge your angels with the angels of the pastors in the church, right? And I was thinking, is that maybe that's why some of us are struggling with ukukhuphula isithunywa sethu, because there was some stealing of our guardian angels there at church that we did not know about.
Uh, there are many reasons why umthandazo yenu ayitoliki, and I deal with that fully in the book Isithunywa. And really, if you're anybody who's anywhere trying to be on any journey spiritually, le ncwadi le must be your handy book, your manual, your everything. But just to answer it for people here, umoya uzothini Nkosi yami Jesu? Ngendlela esidalwe ngayo. Ngikhuluma not black people, not African people, not Chinese, not white, not whatever, just in indlela. And I know this topic so well because ubungoma is to doctor the soul. Ubungoma is about spiritual engineering and spiritual doctors. So I've been preoccupied naleyo nto ever since I started my journey, which is 30 years ago now. One thing I know is that umoya is part of who you are. Lento sithi thina idlozi. Lento abayibiza ngokuthini in clear English is the soul. In science English, it's called the psyche. They call it the psyche. Thina sikubiza lokho ngedlozi. It's the present but invisible part of every living species. Lelo dlozi lelo linikeziwe intambo exhumanisa leli dlozi nomdali, the main engineer, the main creator of lelo dlozi elikuwena. There is a thread connecting wena as idlozi, not wena as inyama. Thread connects wena as idlozi that is incarnated emzimbeni lo. That thread is a deliberate connector between yourself as a soul and the soul that created you. It's so that you're not alone out there in the incarnation that you are living, three-dimensional earth plane. Umdali wakho is navigating ngayo le ntambo le, ngawo lo moya lo okuthiwa yini isithunywa. It's an usha, umgijimi kahle kahle. Lo moya umgijimi odaliwe nje. We're nothing to do with your parents, has nothing to do with your society, has nothing to do with the church or the school or any kind of physical earthly thing. It's just how creation is made. Creation was made by the creator in energy form and in physical form. And it created the soul, and it has a connector that connects the soul so that it can continue to drive the soul. So the driver is umdali, and the asha or the thread is isithunywa, and then the actual vehicle is your soul. So somebody has to connect umdali with the soul. Somebody has to connect the two. When as a physical body, you are embodying the soul. And the soul is driven by umdali. Between umdali and the soul is this isithunywa. When as a physical person, unemgudu from the crown of your head down to the bottom of your feet. Unemgudu ehamba ingena idlozi lakho liphefumula kuleyo mgudu leyo. Nalo idlozi lakho through the body, umzimba is not just density. Umzimba has ventilation, if you want. These ventilations allow umoya to come through according to the stage of loyo moya, according to the color, the type of moya. So in the lower parts of your body, the ventilation is very different to how much of the soul is uphefumula in the lower parts. In the lower parts, uphefumula in terms of leyo kuthiwa umdawo nomdiki, leyo kuthiwa isithunywa in the actual body. Intuition, the gut instinct, imaphi amanye amagama esingisi siwasebenzisayo. La imoya ephefumula ngesingezansi, imoya engenamehlo. Imoya, just our feelings and nuances, and instinct is another one. Instinct, intuition, gut feelings. Lezo zinto lezo izinto eziphefumula ngesingezansi. That's how your isithunywa comes through the lower parts of your body. Usayisithunywa sona, but wena ngendlela osizwa ngayo ngesingezansi, you just uzwa ngokuthi the hairs on your skin will rise. Say gut instinct leyo. It means khona into engiyizwayo but angiyiboni futhi angiyizwa emadlebeni ami ukuthi ithini iyini, kodwa ngizwa ngomzimba ubila ukuthi there's a danger out there. That is a natural state of creation that allows isithunywa to communicate through the physical entity that is your physical being, right? Those are the lower. Mausuza la in the middle section. Isithunywa sakho through the body has different ventilation. Layer ventilation has to do with my feelings, your empathy, your feeling wuti, you are open and you're empathic to other people's feelings, or you kind of, when you meet someone, you get a sense of, you feel sad for them, or that is your intuition communicating different things that you're either perceiving from the outside or that are coming from yourself, the inside. That ventilation is a different kind of ventilation because it communicates through the heart. It communicates through your breathing, your lungs. It affects your respiratories. It affects how you breathe. It affects how you take in breath, how you give out breath. It affects how you pump the blood, what is your palpitations and the gijima. Though that is a different communication from isithunywa. You are translating through a different part and stage of your anatomy. Then guzela in the throat and in the nose and in the eyes and ears. Masegula la isithunywa esesikhuluma khona. Kuvulekile futhi ku-right. That is when uzobe when you perceive something or something presents itself, uzogijima imlayezo ikhulume kuwena endlebeni ukuthi yabona lana ke lesi simo lesigijima lo muntu lona ukanje. It's a quick visual, because it's communicator in this aspect of your from here up. So you see visuals, pictures, go through your head, and you will hear audio, which are telepathic messages. You will also kind of have things that you are kind of smelling, or it's a whole communication that has visuals and audio and other things to bring together the exact message that you need to be getting. But it depends, obviously, on whether wena as a vessel uvuliwe wavulelega in all the different channels ekwazi transmitter isithunywa. So if for example uvulekile ngesingenhla, your third eye is open and all of this, and whenever you encounter someone, immediately isithunywa sakho comes and makes a whole conversation and a whole video and a whole telepathic merging of information. That means you're open up here. But uthola ukuthi omunye is open up here, but is very closed in the lower body. And in the lower body is closed because you had surgeries or you had terminated pregnancies or you had whatever. It's congested down there. Loyo muntu who's very gifted up here and open and perceives and sees very deep things that are far away and long in the past and all of that, but akakwazi ngisho ukuthenga isinkwa because their gut instinct is not clear, because their basic survival instincts are poor. The whole lower part, isithunywa cannot transmit through the lower parts of the body. So tshela mina ukuthi ukususa lowo muntu umise emfuleni, umise olwandle, umise embophomeni, uzobuya kwenzani? Because that person, yebo isithunywa sakhe is very broad and big and prophetizing all kinds of futures and pasts and everything else. Kodwa mase kuthiwa kufuneke yena stand on her own or his own 2 feet and do basic survival things or have a relationship that's functioning or, you know, be able to feed their children or do things that are basic things. Agasagwazi, it doesn't happen because isithunywa sakhe is not balanced in the lower part of themselves, and it's very open in the upper part, which is a very dangerous thing. Most gobelas injure their twasas these days because umuntu wakhona will say ukuthi I'm your gobela, but I'm just dealing with idlozi lakho lobungoma. You can't separate idlozi lobungoma nesithunywa. They go together. Isithunywa is energy that you must deal with because isithunywa kwesinye isikhathi yisona esivulele kakhulu kumuntu. Bese sangoma sigcina sithi wena kahle hle unomoya wesithunywa kufanele uyokhonza kwaShembe noma kufanele ungene esontweni lama whatever noma kufanele kuye empophomeni njani. Kanti the valves are opened by isangoma. The valves themselves ezivulela le moya engikhuluma ngayo from the bottom to the crown. Wena mawakwazi ukuvula from the bottom of the crown, musukumthinta lowo muntu because you're as good as killing them. Uma ngabe uzomcobhozisa and just change this and that and do the mdawe this and that and ushiye the gaping open person, gaping open, ahlole kuze kungazi ukuthi ukhipha imfihlo, and you just keep telling them ukuthi wena you are highly gifted and idlozi lakho likhulu kwasha kwacima, but you are not engineering umoya wabo in the way that you are supposed to be engineering umoya wabo. And engineering is knowing ukuthi you open lo mgudu lo wokuqala, which is the channel of umdawe umdiki. Those are the male female energetic channels. Umdawe nomdiki uvula ngani? Uvula ngelokhuze ngenyongo yakhona. Adle futhi the medicine yakhona of that lower body medicine. Wenza njalo uvula umoya bese uconditiona umzimba. Impande iconditiona umzimba, and lenyo lelo gobongo lomdawo noma lomdiki usuyaphothula utshela umoya ukuthi okay, we are now over that stage, we're now getting into the next stage. Ungena ngafuthi kuloyo moya futhi uvule. There are 8 different moyas, valves okufanele uyivule. Le yesithunywa iyasala isikhathi esiningi ngoba abantu bacabanga ukuthi isithunywa sidinga inyongo, isithunywa sidinga ilokhuzana, igobongo, isithunywa sidinga isonto. And that's a complete ruining of people who have the power surging through them. But it's surging to a closed door. Ngoba lo muntu lo azange avulwe ama-valve emzimbeni wakhe adle impande nemithi ekuyiyona ezinzisa igazi lakhe to take that power. Nina nibayisa kuphi? Nibayisa kubafundisi, nibafaka iziphiko ezimhlophe neziyelo nezi-brown blue, angazi kuze kushona ilanga lokhu nithunga izinto ezingathi shu. Isithunywa nje asihlangani ukuthi ugqoke yiphi ingubo wase wenze njani. That was your grandmother mhlawumbe, or your grandfather who wore those things when they were performing their isithunywa glory. But it has nothing to do ukuthi wena-ke manje you have to wear leso siphika leso, wenze leyo into leyo, uhambe lelo sonto lelo, njani. That is isidalwa esithile esasiphila leyo nto leyo. Ungasibona ephusheni, sibonwe ugobela naye ephusheni, sibonwe yimina ngikuhlolela. But it doesn't mean ukuthi wena, that is who you are supposed to do. And usually when leso sidalwa leso siqhamuka sigqoke lezo yiphika lezo, sisuke sisidalwa sakini sizokutshela ukuthi cha, mina ngiyakwazi wena ukuthi uguliswa yini, lungisa lana la. Kusuke kuwumuntu wakini ezokhuluma egqoke lezo zinto because waye sebenza ngesithunywa sakhe, egqoka lezo zinto zakhe, ukuthanda isithunywa sakhe ngendlela yakhe. Akasho ukuthi wena-ke manje hamba-ke gijima-ke uye kwaMayimayi uyothungelwa ilokhuzana i-uniform yesonto. Akusho lokho. Esakho isithunywa sifuna umzimba wakho ukuthi ungangena yini lo moya. Uma ungena uzofike uxovaxovane nani, uyabona, uzofika uxovaxovane ne-trauma, uzofika uxovaxovane nama-injuries athile, uzofika uxovane ney'dalwa ey'phambene ezingezwani, omama nobaba zange behlanganiswe, yonke leyo ancestral ne-DNA things. Uthola ukuthi manje-ke iyakhuphuka lo moya umkhulu, ufuna ukungena la, ufuna ukuphumelela through your body. But wena ususangene-ke manje uyahlanya, usufanele udla amaphilisi e-depression, usudiagnoswa ko-bipolar njani. Not because ufanele ukhushulwa isithunywa. Isithunywa sakho siyikhuphukela sona because sidaliwe, siyakwazi, siwumoya vele okuwena, vele ulokhu wazalwa lesi sithunywa sikhona. Hayi ukuthi sesiyovuswa emathuneni ngoba nakho usuhlangane nomkhulu ufakazi ozokuhambisa empophomeni. It's not a today thing. It's a thing that's been there, that's been dormant, that wakes up. And as it wakes up, uvusa izinto okufuneke wena-ke manje uziyise enyongweni, zifike zihlanjululwe ngenyongo lezo zinto lezo. Zisuke ziningi futhi, zisuke zingezukuhlanjululwa amanzi nempophoma nolwandle. Zisuke zizoba izinto okufanele wena uthathe lolu daka bese u-assess ukuthi kufuneka imbuzi, inkomo, izinkukhu, ukuhlambulula lezi zinto lezi ngokwesiko, noma ngokungcoliswa izifo, noma ngokungcoliswa izimpambuko ey'thile. Isithunywa vele asingeni nje endaweni elokhuzile, asiphili bese wena uyaphila ngoba usudlule emfuleni. Uphila ngoba wena usulungise impilo nokuphila kwabazali bakho, nokuphila kwakho, nokuphila kwey'dalwa zakini. So kahle nje njoba nje sigijima sibalekela ukusebenzisa isintu nokulungisa izinto zasegcekeni nezinto zasemndenini nezinto zey'dalwa, ebese sithi thina hayi ngoba mina vele nginesithunywa, ngoba ubalekela ukuthi awufuni ukuthi lolu daka lolu udile nalo, uligeze, uliqede. Cha, ubalekela ukuthi wena uzokhokha ilokhuzana iminikelo lapho esontweni lakwabanibani, bakukhandele leyanto leyana, seku-right. Nabo abasesontweni nabo bayakhohlisa, bathi yebo isithunywa sakho sikhulu, wena uphiwe isiphiwo sokuthandaza, thina sokwenza u-A, B no-C, nikela wena ngemali engaka, uvule isihlabe ilokhu isifundo esithile, ufundwe leyo nto leyo kumisa amakhandlela. Ayikho leyo nto leyo nje, awekho amakhandlela ayoyiqeda makhosi inyakanyaka yokuzalwa kwakho nenyakanyaka yehistory yakini efuna kahle ukuyongeniswa emanzini enyongo, nawe futhi udle inyongo zokuvula imigudu yomoya kuwena, udle impande yokuzinzisa umzimba wakho, so that mangabe sekutranslate isithunywa through wena, kutranslate clean information, hayi information ezoba ama-ventilations okade elokhu esefa umoya ogcwele ilokhuzane egcwele i-dust. Sekune-dust manje lana, wena awufuni ukususa le dust, ugeze le dust, ufuna nje ukuyomisa amakhandlela uye elokhuzeni uye emfuleni. Kanti cha, isefo esiyinkinga, isefo esiyinkinga esifuna ukuthi ugeze lezi impukane eseyibanjwe isefo, ususe zonke lezi zibi esezidonswe isefo. Yingakho isithunywa singakwazi ukuba isithunywa, ngoba wena isefo sakho sesavalwa zimpukane nemiyane lokhu indiza lana nayo yonke inhlobo yamahlamvu, sekuvalekile nje isefo sithe ngci. Uthole manje ukuthi uyakhuleka, uzujuluke, ugqoka leya ngubo, uhamba uthenge leyana futhi, uthandaza njena usunethusa, ngaze amangaka amathusa agcwele indlu, akunyakazi kodwa lutho. Ngani na? Inkinga wena ucabanga ukuthi isintu singcolile, ungcono, futhi isintu kuyophela nini indaba yesintu, ukulungisa ngesintu. Ungcono wena ugqoke ingubo zakhe ezimhlophe uye esontweni ukhonze njalo njalo. Anti cha, there's no shortcuts.
You know what I'm thinking?
Sangoma, or unesangoma esiwubizo kuwena, or unesithunywa esifuneke sisebenze kuwena. Those two things are never separable. They're never separated. Angingakhohliswa nje umuntu ozokutshela ukuthi hayi wena udinga ukuthi uyothwasa ngoba wena unesithunywa. Usuke lowo muntu loyo ekuvala nje, kufana nokuthi ukuvale ngokhiye nje watshinga lapha.
You know what I'm thinking, Gogo, is that we are still under the Witchcraft Act mentally, even though we are not applying it like in a physical sense. Like mentally, we're still under the Witchcraft Act, because what happens when they say that you're gifted? The first thing that you go to is run to the church, right? And if you think about it, all these churches, these big churches, were active during the apartheid days.
Hey, mina angisebenzi mina indaba ye-debate around race and politics. I mean, I'll talk about it, but it's a waste of time.
Okay.
Waste of time to always allocate blame to other systems of doing things. Because in the first place, we have a choice. We always had a choice. We always had a choice. Mina ugogo wami had a choice to put my mother through ubungoma when my mother was 1 year old. She was sick. She was crying all year through from birth for an entire year. Kwaphoqa ukuthi ahambe yohlala emzini kamkhulu omunye ilabo bokuqala abantu bakwaShembe in the 40s when my mother was born. And wakhetha etshelwa umkhulu loyo owayesonta kwaShembe, wahamba wayohlala kulo mkhulu for 1 entire year. Loyo mkhulu waye esephenduliwe yena ewuShembe, angithi ewuShembe njalo, wamtshela ugogo wathi lengane le ifuna ukwenzelwa inkomo ivume idlozi iyisangoma. Ugogo at that time had been raised iLuthela. She was a young woman who went around praying for people. Her and her best friend were all about Amatopia, and then she became Luthela after Amatopia. She was all about praying, religion, and all of that. So mase kufika lesimo sokuthi usezele lengane owayeyicelile futhi lengane le. Yafika ke lengane yanatso ke sithola ukugula kanjena, usehamba uyohlala kubani kulo mfundisi wakaShembe. Umfundisi wakaShembe wamtshela straight ukuthi ingane inedlozi ifuna ukulungiselelwa ubizo ifuna amenzele inkomo avume idlozi ingane izosinda. Wathi ugogo lutho luthela over my dead body. Ingane incane kakhulu for me to do that. Ngoba naye ugogo ezebuyela esontweni nje wayehlushwa umndawo nomndiki esina enza yonke lento efanele kwayena ngabe wakhushulwa kwathi lesikhathi segana kwalokho kufuneka ukuthi gide wathi ngahamba ngaya phansi kwempophoma ngageza ngathi ayisuke lento kimi yazwa yini ayisukanga-ke ngoba my mother was born nanso-ke naye ezalwa nayo lento wayiphika. All our ancestors had choices. Babe nama-choices ukuthi do you take the route of another belief system or you follow what you know, because as soon as usuka kulelu siko nendabuko oyazi for generations, it's passed down for generations and generations, kufika umuntu ngesikhathi efika ezokuthembisa ukuthi uzokufundisa iy'ngane zakhe esikoleni uzoyinika ukudla kanjani, you have a choice to take that route and then to leave ulaxaze yonke into yakho. They all did it in that generation and the next generation and the next generation. Izangoma ezazifaka yonke inhlobo yeyikhumba zidlondlobele isebenza zelapha zibhula zenza yonke inhlobo yento zashintsha ngokuthi awukwazi ukuhamba edrobheni uyikizela, zashintsha zafaka imnazaretha yezayoni umuntu akwazi ukuya edrobheni ebuye emva kwesikhathi lawo mashoba lawo nalezo yikhumba lezo seyidliwa izinja sekudlala iy'ngane leyo nto leyo kuphelile kanjalo. Labo bantu lawo balaxaza by choice, not ukuthi khona umuntu waniphoqayo ukuthi niyongena ema-altare njalo njalo. So inkinga njengamanje is that uma wena you believe honestly in your heart ukuthi isintu asikusebenzeli because it either costs too many goats, cows and chickens, or it is it's dirty or it's backward or whatever it is. Hlukana naso. And if you think that you are better off at an altar of a church or at a hospital or at a clinic or at any of the science based recognized ways of doing things, then do that and stay with it and cure yourself according to the chosen belief system. Lento yokuthi nilokhu nithi ngisindisiwe ngapha ngiyogcobhoza elokhuzeni esangomeni ngapha omunye waze wangibuza ngila wathi kumina uyakwazi yini ukuthwasisa a-Christian? Wathi mina i-Christianity konje inayo yini into okuthiwa uyethwasa umuntu ngoba i-Christianity just tells you ukuthi we don't deal with the dead, and the dead are dead, and that's that's the end of them. So when ungathi uthwasa in ngoba phela ukuthwasa is to take on the work of a deceased member of your lineage. Uzisuka nje. And izisuka nje, Christianity does not acknowledge those things. So if when you're a Christian and you're practicing ubungoma or yathwasa, you are going against your religion. That's against the constitutional rights of Christians, and when you are not in line with your church.
But don't you think because there's a rise in mental illness in especially young people, that I think this is the indicator that we should go back to our roots? Because
umuntu has their choice, umuntu has their choice, and nowadays the choice is presenting itself even more. Uguti, you can go this direction or that direction, and there are people there. There've always been people there, and this is also uguti. Lentole is not a thing of just Black people or African people. The pagans of Britain, they were being pagans. They were doing amasigo abo. They were doing their indigenous healing methods. They were Wicca, they were witches, and whatever else that they were. They were practicing their indigenous nature spirituality, and there came Christianity and threw them in fires and threw them in, slayed them dead and killed them and put them into prisons and all of that. So our history as people of the sun, whatever race we are, is a history that we've got to relearn or remind ourselves of and understand, Uguti. The agenda to erase and to shut down your memory of how to self connect with the creator force, energy, and power. That is what you need to do. You don't need a priest. You don't need an altar to do that. You don't need umpelegezeli in that scenario, in that situation. You don't even need a sangoma for that matter. But Tina, we are coming out of a long period of slumber and sleep. Fed and thinking that, because we're fed and it seems so easy. It seems like, just show up in church and, contribute and sing and pray and do, whatever protocols are required. That is life. That is what you're conditioned from kindergarten, because that is how society, especially in South Africa, was overtaken by another way of life. And that is not a racial thing. That is just us accepting the other systems of doing things. Amandia, they are not in the same boat as you. For example, Amandia, whether you like it or not, they're not Christians, they're Hindu. Hindu Babo is their own indigenous practices, and they practice Ayurvedic medicines. There are a lot of them who are Christians, but emakayabo, they practice the masiko abo, they practice the things that they need to practice. Abo, they burn their incenses and do their things. Bafari amabangelabo abomvu and ngokotinwabo and goba the things they need to goba and so on and so forth. So you are all raised in the same South Africa.
True, sanibonani.
Thokoza makhosi njani?
Ngiyaphila gogo njani?
Sikhona.
Hayi ngithi nje ulwazi olundlulisayo wegogo lujule kakhulu kanti futhi liyalapha. Ngithi nje angidlulisa ukubonga okukhulu man. Usungilaphile nami ngingumntwanyana nje osemncanyana ngisakhula ngisafunda ukuthi kushuthi indlela kuxhumana nemvelo nokuyiqonda. Yeah. So ngiyabonga kakhulu mama, ngiyabonga kakhulu gogo, usungilaphile nami ukuthi kulokho engihamba kuona kushuthi ngisahamba ngendlela ekahle ngoba kuxhumene nemvelo kanti futhi kuyinto ekupha ulwazi lokuthi ukwenza izinto zenzeke ngendlela yakho ngomqondo wakho.
Yeah.
Sonke indlulela kahle umuntu nomuntu unento yakhe. Iveza ngendlela yakhe. The more you connect, it's the more it reveal. So ngiyabonga kakhulu gogo.
Yes. Umuntu nomuntu unendlela yakhe ngoba umuntu nomuntu unomdali wakhe, nalogesi oconnecta yena nomdali wakhe. Lo gesi lona-ke iwona kufuneka ugade kakhulu isithunywa. Ugesi uma ufika kuwena ugesi bese uhlihlizela, okwakho ukuthi umzimba wakho, ingqondo, inhliziyo, isingezansi singadali ukuthi isithunywa sihlihlizele. Wena okwakho ukulungisa amasiko, ukwenza inhlambuluko zasekhaya, ukuhlambulula idalwa nokuhlanganisa idalwa zakho ukuthi kungabi intambo ephambene. Isithunywa lesi mawugesi ungena ufika uhlihlize maqeda ushe wena. That's the cause of mental illness manje-ke nokuphambana kwekhanda nokuba netrauma njalo. Ufica whether is ubungoma moya or isithunywa moya. Uma kuzofica izinto zakho, intambo zakho iphambene, uzofika vele ugesi ukushaya ukushise yabona.
Yebo gogo ngilalele.
Abantu baneziphiwo ezinkulu kodwa umuntu uhamba uphambene nje akazazi ukuthi manje uhlanganisa ini nani. Why? Because ekugcineni you think ukuthi gift means good life, but gift means good life if wena amasiko akho nesintu sakho siqondile. Isintu was a way to teach you how to receive and to be a good receptor. Mawungeyona i-good receptor, ngeke kuze kulunge lokhu uNkulunkulu akudalele khona. Ingakho abazali they were given amasiko bebewanikezwa ukuthi ingane mayizalwa benze u-A, B no C. Intombazane manje yenzele u-A, B no C. Umfana mayeselisindakini sokuthi usethombile menzele u-A, B no C. Why? Because le into eyenza i-set up to receive. Okay.
Ngisile gogo wami.
Bangithezwa.
Nami angisezwa gogo ngiyaphazamiseka. Sorry.
Yeah.
Oh, nangu umuntu ngiyacabanga i-network ibiphazamiseka ngoba udade lapha bengenile.
Oh, all right. Ngibona ngathi the rites of passage should be introduced because that's where things have gone wrong. Because at a
They
certain
don't need
stage,
to be introduced. They don't need to be introduced. Siyawazi sonke. We just don't respect them because we think ukuthi into yesintu is just taking us too far back. It's just an inconvenience. It's too backward. And what is isidingo sokwenza lezo zinto lezo because you're sitting at Sandton or because you're sitting in a suburb somewhere? Ingane yakho iyazalwa, you know first ukuthi it must be baptized. But you know also ukuthi abantu abadala they must know ukuthi nansi ingane izelwe ithelwe ngenyongo ibikwe ingane ukuthi isibuyile esibhedlela nansi isikhona, so that the whole connecting can happen. Kodwa wena priority in your mind is baptism and which clothes you're going to wear for the baptism, which priest and preacher is going to be present, and how the event is going to go in the venue and so on. Noguchi 21st birthday is more important, that you do that for your child and you make sure that all that is done. Kodwa masekuthiwa lezi zinto zesintu, there's no prioritizing them ngoba i-value yazo you don't understand it until somebody has mental illness, until you give birth to somebody who's compromised in some way, until there are problems. There's khathi umuntu secabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe into yesintu ake siyobheka ukuthi kunjanjani, and it's too late. Most people who come to me esigodlweni sami, they are adults who have not had one single thing. The first thing has not been done, and the irony ukuthi they expect ukuthi njengoba sengikugogo and I'm on a program kugogo, all their problems will suddenly disappear because they did this one cleansing ritual or this one set of rituals. Sekufanele ukuthi manje ngabe all is resolved because baya kumuntu balungiselwa leyanto naleyanto, this and that. Kanti no, it's not that. Every single person njengamanje ofuna ukuthi ngempela ulayini wakhe uqonde. Start from the beginning inside your mother's womb. Waphikwa lungisa. Ngoba lokho kuchaza ukuthini? Kuchaza ukuthi abakini abazali ubaba, ubaba waphika, awukho esibalweni, awurejistiwe kokhokho bakho nje, awurejistiwe. Abazali banjani umuntu uma usumqalisa phansi kanjalo vele athi umuntu ke ngingahambi izangoma ngoba yabona izinto zakhona ayipheli, something and something kulungile ke phela. kulungile phela. Hamba-ke uyongena emfuleni ulungise isikhumba sakho-ke emanzini lapho, ufake-ke isiphambano elokhuzeni ejazini eli-yellow, blue and white, and maybe that's going to resolve your issues. Asazi.